Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the long anticipated Theragun G3 Pro. I just got it for $10 and stand by all the way at the end. I'll let you know how I got it for $10. Mind you, this thing goes about $500, close to $600 to my understanding. So stand by, let's do this unboxing. So like I mentioned, G3 Pro, I need it because the fact that while I was in the military, before I retired after 20 years, my back got pretty messed up. So I got a couple of degenerative, degeneration of my spine, and I needed something. So my whole back pretty much molded around the injury. So when it's relaxed, it feels weird. So pretty much I just got used to how it was now. So my back is always hurting, always painful. So I've gone through a lot of therapies. I mean, we're talking about, I went to acupuncture, a lot of acupuncture. I used to get it twice a week, to be followed by cupping. So I've done a lot of stuff for my back, including like months and months and months long of physical therapy. Hopefully this will change it. So with no further ado, let's get started. And here it is. Nice box, nice and sealed. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna see it for the first time in front of you guys. So let's do this. So here it is, nice big box. It's pretty heavy, get some weight on there. We're talking about 10 pounds, possibly 12. It's supposed to have everything that you could think of, including 6 attachments, a travel case, attachment pouches, I guess where all the attachments goes. Got a battery charger, and it comes with 2 batteries. So I guess that's the main difference between this and the G3. Is that this one has a detachable battery. G3, to my understanding, just a regular G3 doesn't have one. It has I guess internal battery instead of a detachable batteries. So this thing comes with 2-year warranty. Just keep the receipt, and to my understanding, if something does go wrong with it, all you gotta do is just make sure you keep your receipt and contact Theragun, and they'll see what they can do for you. So let's do this. Ooh, so off the bat, you're gonna see a nice carry case. Got some weight on this. Put that there. And inside there's like a little partition here. Okay, nothing there, just says Theragun. Okay. We got some what is this? Instruction manual stuff, and cut some, I guess a sticker, a decal. I don't know what, but all the other stuff, I guess the warranty instructions, I guess how it started up. So yeah, you got Dr. Jason in here. I guess it's the guy that came up with Theragun. So put this aside. Cool. There. Okay, next up we got the charger. It's nice and sealed. Let me peel it for you guys. Satisfying, nice and clean, all shiny for now. Then we got the cable you need for it. See if it makes that peeling noise. No, it's not gonna make it, but so satisfying. Go with the rest. And nice and shiny. Okay, next up we got the supply cable, I guess, for the charger. And lastly we have bags. Feels like you got attachments inside. So okay, so that's it for the box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the carry case and see what's inside here. To my understanding, the gun itself and a couple of the batteries inside. And this little bag right here comes with the attachment bag. That's what it's called. Okay, I'll explain later on what these are for, but a couple of them are dampeners. I'm looking forward to this and possibly the thumb, wherever it's at. Yeah, right, the thumb. Okay, put this aside. Let's open up the case. And there it is. Nice, very nice. Put that there for now. Oh, I feel something bulging here. Let's see if there's anything behind here. Oh yeah. So here's your batteries. You got 1 and 2 batteries. So that's it for now. Let's go put it to the side. Okay, so nice and simple. I guess this the dampener, and it looks like there's 2 different speeds on here. So in this packet right here, you'll see the pretty much a more detailed explanation on how this is used. Okay, don't need that. Okay, so there's I guess there's an app for it. Theragun app. It goes with the Apple Store and also Google Play. Don't need that. Warnings, and finally the G3 Pro, the manual. So with this regular one right here, it looks like it's called the dampener. The big one right here is a large ball. This one is the standard ball. Then we got the wedge, the thumb, oops. Lastly, we have the cone. So the G3 has all 6 attachments, and I believe this is supposed to try it out. Yep, 6 attachments. Okay, normally if you would buy them individually, I believe each one of those attachments are $20 a piece. So really, if you're getting this thing, you're saving at least $100, right? Because one comes with it. It already comes with one. So it's not bad at all. I wonder if this battery is charged. Okay, so there's a positive click when you push that in. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, it's a lithium battery. Got a little bit of weight on here, but it's not overly heavy, right? So let's try something here. Let's go with the regular dampener here. Okay. So to my understanding, this was the G3 is about half as loud as the predecessor, which is the G2. But they're still pretty loud to my understanding, so what I heard. So we'll see how loud it is. Hopefully there's charge in this one. Okay, there's a little loud. Let's go 1 speed higher. Oh, that was the high one. This is low. That's high. Okay, so there's some noise on here. It's not as quiet as I thought it would be, but you know what? Let's try it out real quick. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so that's one attachment, and I tell you what, it feels so good. If you can see that the muzzle actually like making like waves, right? As it, you know, as it bounces off it. But I really like it. I really like it. So to my understanding, this thing also rotates. I guess that's another difference between the G3 and the G3 Pros. This part right here rotates to different angles. Let's see here. Okay, so it is a little hard, I guess, because it's brand new. So it is a little, but but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this, and give me about a week and I'll give you guys an update. But so far so good. I love this, and yeah, this is gonna be put to use a lot. Okay, so as you can see here, the shape of it, it's like this, right? So I see it when you're the one that's providing it to someone, or you're someone where you can reach it like this. I guess this handle's perfect, right? But I see a lot of people doing all kinds of contortion stuff, you know, trying to get the massage. But if you just rotate it right here, I see it's going to be a lot easier for everyone when you're doing your shoulders or your upper back, even your lower back. Okay, so yeah, I really like this gun, and looking forward to a lot of usage on this. So okay, so how I got this for $10, right? Normally it's around at least $4.99 to $500 something, right? What it is I went online, and there's this I guess local in Hawaii, there was a raffle saying, hey, yeah, for $10 you can win possibly win something. So I was like, you know what, why not, right? I spared $10, so I did it and I won, right? So I got this amazing machine for just $10, so you can't really beat that at all. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll put an update here in about a month or a week or a month, and I'll let you guys know what I really think about the Theragun after I use it. Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned. We're gonna have more stuff coming. I'm gonna start doing a lot more I guess tech reviews as much as I can, and there's a couple of stuff that I picked up that you guys might like also. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next show. Have a good one. Mahalo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Mahalo.